Welcome back, 7th graders. We are starting our first unit this week. So we are going to be in Unit 1, Session 1. The best way to access that folder is to either come to the course updates and hit the link right here, or to come over here, hit fall semester. I'm going to switch over to this so I don't lose that update. Hit fall semester, and here's your folder right here, Session 1. So once you get in here, you're going to see that we start here with the welcome, and it's just kind of an introduction. This is where this video will be posted, as well as in the updates. So when you come here, you're going to read through each page, and the best way to get to the next page is to hit this button right here, next. I'm not going to do it right now because the folder is unpublished and it won't take me to the next page, but it will help you click through every page so that you're getting all the information. What not to do is when you get to your course, come over here and click on the assignments that you see over here. The reason for that is because if you come back to our Unit 1, Session 1 folder here, and say you click on this reading interest survey, there's no information about how to do it. It's only the Dropbox for turning it in. The information about how to do it is on the previous page right here. So that's why it's really important that you're reading all of the pages. You're not just reading the assignment pages because you're not getting the full directions on the assignment pages. As much as I can, I try to make it so that you couldn't possibly do the assignment without having read the page beforehand. So just make sure that you are reading all of the pages and not skipping around. You'll also see in this update here, you'll find the video. It's obviously not posted right now because I am recording the video, but you'll see our Zoom link for our Wednesday meeting at 10 o'clock. Please make sure that if you can't make it, let one of your teachers know so that we can get you the makeup assignment for it. Other than that, I have nothing else. Please let me know if you need anything this week and have a great week.